Ready? Go. We're on. Okay. Hey guys, Billgirl for Life, and I'm video chatting with Drew, but this is actually Isabel's doll. Hi. Yeah.
My sister Isabel is at karate, so.
Yeah. So we actually just get to, just chill, and Julie's just sitting here, and we're talking about videos. And yeah. Ah! Darn it! I fell. I'm sorry. I fell. So, yeah, here I am in this little boxy thing. And here's Isabel's doll, aka Drew's doll. But, yeah, oh, Jesus. Don't fall again. So, yeah, so, randomness on Facebook. So, yeah. Peace.
No, I'm showing my